Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, I know every time you can defend yourself, you shouldn't defend yourself. Make you think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, no? Drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to do it now. If you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 26 from verse 47 to verse 56. When Jesus did still did their talk, Judas, one of them 12 special follower of them, come. One bag of people come with him. Them did come with sword and big tick, and the head priest and Jew leader them did send them. No, the one we sell out Jesus did give them one sign. Him say, the one we make kiss at him at the man. Arrest him. So same time, him go up to Jesus and say, oh, the teacher, and kiss him. Jesus said to him, say, friend, do what you come here for do. Then come hold on pan Jesus and arrest him. But one of Jesus' follower them grab him sword and take it, chop off the ears of the servant for the leader, for the priest them. Then Jesus said to him, say, put up back your sword, cause anybody will take up sword fight, a sword I go kill them. Or I think when I think say me can't call upon my father. And he wouldn't send one bag of angel come help me right here now. More than 12 big group of them. But if me do that, oh, we're right down in a God word, we say I saw it figure would have come true. That time there, Jesus said to the crowd of people, say, I come with sword and big tick for arrest me like say me a old thief or a murderer. Day in, day out, you see me in a yard where God owes there a teach. And you no arrest me. But this here happen. So when the prophet them saying a God word can come true. Then all I'm special follower them run away, left him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.